Today I wanted to take a quick trip to HomeGoods to see what they have in. Of course, they have some great outdoor furniture. They have been loading up with that. So they had this cute little set. I liked it because of the pop of color and the cushions there, but you can always change those out. 350, but I think that'll look real pretty, especially against that color. I just think that green looks pretty. This right here, so it's like I'm thinking it's like a cooler, so you put the ice in there because it has the holes to drain it and stuff, so you can make like a cute little outdoor bar setting with that. These big pieces, every time I see them, I always wonder who has that much space. But if you do have that much space, 150, that'll be a cool piece of outdoor decor. String lighting, these I thought were cool. So they had these right here, and like you get a lot of bulbs on that one right there for $40 for that. This I just thought was cute. So it's the little frogs all stacked up with the little headphones. $50 for that. I've been seeing a lot of little glass pieces, like glass orbs, glass decor pieces. So this one was just pretty colors for $30. I've been seeing a lot of these little barrel side tables, or you could use them as plant holders and stuff. I thought that color was pretty. They had this one here for $80. This chair, we've seen a lot of these little egg chairs, but the color in this one was just real nice with that like electric light blue. And that one was $400 for that one. Thought that was super nice and just again bold. They had this table right here, and it was like clearance. It wasn't like that big of a discount, but it had a little bit of a discount. But just, if you do get the clearance, just check, because they will have like some scuffs and bumps on them. So just these pieces I thought were a bit interesting, and you could save a few dollars. These two pieces right here I thought were pretty. So the blue and the red, I like both of those right there. And just a good piece of decor. And then you can also, put stuff in those. Then they had these. Every time I see these type pieces, it reminds me of like Restoration Hardware and places, because they've been stocking a lot of that stuff. This, I just thought he was so cute. $25. So if like a little metal piece for your garden or something. More string lights right there. And those have like kind of that traditional bulb shape, but then in a smaller version. And that was solar powered for $30. And then this is how much that cooler cost, $250. So if you want a little drink station, these, I love these. So this kind of style has been around for a while with the wall, but these were on sale. But I feel you could just fix those little imperfections right there. And then these are faux plants, because that's the kind of person I am. I need faux plants. So I like the look, but without having to keep things alive, you might want to grab these. And these are just look pretty and bring that like spring look to your house. This, another just cute piece. And these look cute outside. $60 for that right there. They had this little one. I'm wondering if this was like a planter, but $25 for that one. If you're looking for like some outdoor entertainment pieces, we saw the other pieces and they were like bright, but if you wanted something more neutral, they have these pieces right here. So $10 for that little set of bowls. You get like four of those. The little taco stand, you get one in that, not the two to stack together. So $5 for that. I just thought this was just something different with the big mixers right there. $17 for that. These are little fishes, so you can put different things in each one of those. $10 for that. This just something kind of like that boho vibe to me. So that one had the beads in it there for $13. And then this one was just without the beads. They both for the same price. These I thought were cute. Okay, so you could see, can you see the base there? So $10 for that one, and it's got like the hammered glass on it. And then they had like the matching. I thought it was like going to be wonky because it wasn't lined up, but $17, and it looked like it was solid. So a little cake stand. That's just something different with the different shapes. Some more outdoor like entertainment pieces. The green I thought was pretty. So $3 for the glass, and they kind of have that ombre look. These margarita glasses. Yeah, so HomeGoods, is great for the outdoor pieces right now, especially at like spring and going into summer. They have like just a wide variety of different colors, different styles. So you can really find something that's going to fit in with, what you're looking to do outdoors. These pieces I thought were pretty, just for I don't know, like with spring and summer, I think just bringing in some color, even though I do like the whites and the blacks, but just bringing in some color. Maybe that bowl right there with the like cute little shape, $13. This one right here, so this one doesn't have like that textured beading like detail on it. It's saying $13 though. um just the blue. I thought the blue was pretty, and the blue again is like the white, creamish looking like off-white color. I just think that goes well together. That bowl, $5 right there. Then you can get this one. It's more like a regular shape bowl, $6 for that one right there. So yeah, just some cute stuff. This, I'm always looking for bathroom storage, and the shape of this was different to me. So $50, you get all of those. And if you have like an odd shaped corner, like a corner that you don't want it even, that I think that's a good piece. And then $15 for that tray that matches it. And the blue, again, something nice, and it's like kind of nautical and everything. They were dragging those to the front. We're gonna see those again later, but they were like just keep putting out stuff at HomeGoods right now for the season. These chairs I thought were nice, and you can see a lot of blues. I was attracted to blues today. These swivel, and we've seen like that style before, but I just thought those were nice. These, I loved these. Even when I was looking at them, this lady was like, "Oh wow, that is so nice." I'm like, "Yeah, right." Like you could really just lay out right there. $1,000. They had that print, and then they had just the solid color. I love this. It looks vintage. It looks different. It's just so pretty. So yeah, I don't have a space for it, but it looks so pretty. Different kind of lamps that they had today that I thought were interesting. So this one right here for $70. I just like the colors and stuff on that one right there. Thought it was nice. And then again with the gold and stuff, I thought that was pretty together. This one kind of like that nautical look because of the rope and stuff. $60, and the shape was interesting. Another one that I thought the shape was interesting, and the little handles, the little wood handles on that, I thought that was interesting too. $70 for that one right there. So if you're looking for some unique, different type lamps, HomeGoods had some out today. They always have a good selection of regular shape lamps and stuff too that they have out. I thought these would be pretty for spring and summer, so $50. These I thought were so cute. They're like rattan woven type material, the black against the gold, and they were $80 piece, and they were like tall but not too tall. I thought those were so cute, and they had a set. Um, this one right here, so you'll put two bulbs in. It only has one bulb in it, but I thought that was like another interesting little lamp. So yeah, HomeGoods had a lot of interesting looking pieces out today, and this one was 130. So yeah, if you look for something unique, you might want to head over there right now. These mirrors, they always have mirrors, but I thought these were cool because you can arrange them how you want. So you get the three for $30. You can do straight across, you can do like, whichever you want with those. This chair, I'm like, today I was loving blues and golds. This chair right here, 130, and then it kind of has like a quilting to it. Thought that was nice. This I thought was cute. I like the handles on the door, on the drawers, I mean, and it was only $200. The only thing is, I really wouldn't pull the handles if I had, like, in my home, because I would be afraid it would pop off. But I like the look of it. So yeah, but it opens easy with just pulling it in the middle. This another piece that I thought was interesting because the top, has like that marble look, but then it kind of looks like a guitar pick too. So that was like Nordica, $80. And then the base kind of has like a wood look, like a black stained wood look. So I thought that was nice. Just a bunch of little unique looking like pieces. This piece right here, inexpensive. So yeah, HomeGoods is before, I think the prices had went up, and the prices seem to be coming back down. So everything is like a little more affordable because I like affordable home decor. This little nightstand, well, side table right here, $80. I like the little details in the wood on that. This one right here said reclaimed wood. So it's the reclaimed collection. And it had 3 drawers in it, so like a lot of storage. If you have enough space, you can use that as like a side table too, for your bedroom or something. It didn't have a price on it though, but yeah, I thought it was interesting because it said reclaimed. A lot of stuff was packed in because they were it was the weekend, but they were almost the weekend, and they were still stocking up. So yeah, they had a lot of pieces buried. These, I love seeing these pieces. These pieces look so nice to me, but for some reason people don't treat them nice in the store. I don't know how they clean well, like, but if you can get the scuffs out of it. But that one was 180 for that. This one I thought was a set. I really did. I was like, "Ooh, that's interesting," but it's sold separately. So the chairs are 200 a piece. I like how they had them wrapped in plastic to just, kind of protect them somewhat. And then the table was 280, and it kind of had like a marble look on it. So yeah, you can put this together with this. You can put it together with a different type table. But I thought the chairs are real cute, and they fit around that circle table real nice. These right here are just a simple gray, and then like kind of like the wood legs on that, like that. 150 for those. This planter I thought was cute. It didn't have a price on it though, but it was like lightweight. And then I like the gold on it. I like the height that it was. So yeah. And you could put, like me, I would put a faux plant, but you could probably put a real plant in there probably. This right here, this little ottoman, thought that was something nice because yeah, if you're looking for like, because it's like nice and flat, and it's 250, so you can really put stuff on there and then use it too. This kind of had like a vintage look to me. I thought it was cute, something different. So just a pop, and it was on clearance too. So yeah, you can get that on sale. I don't know if it'll be on sale at your Home Goods, but it was on sale at my Home Goods. This little cocktail table, I like little cocktail tables. So this one, I just like the look of it right there at the top, the tile like look, and that one was $60. This little sofa. So if you need a little small sofa, you have a space for it. Only 250, not bad at all. This so pretty again because I like the creams and the wood tones, like especially the light wash wood tones. I like those together. And this one was $400. So that'd be real pretty. Imagine like making a little seating area with that. Like if you got two of them, that'd be nice. Humongous sofa, so cute. So it's like with the chaise side. So it's not boxy like that. That's like an ornament piece. So $2,000, you can move that ornament piece out, or you could put it there and then it just be like a big old cozy bed, like the big arms on it. Love that one right there. This little cabinet, loved it, but again, you gotta be careful at because the pieces at HomeGoods sometimes they are abused. But this had a lot of storage, a lot of top space on it. But one of the handles was just a flopping around and messed up. And this one though, if you can find it good in good condition, was about $700. This I thought was cute, something different. Their glass pieces I think are cute. So you could see the top is like this really narrow top, and then it has like kind of the color on it and stuff. And then the black line through there. $35. I thought that was cute. This little like just some cute decor pieces. Home Goods is always great for like decor pieces. So $30. Home Goods is always great for like dupe decor pieces too. So you can find a lot of high-end dupes there, really. This is another little outdoor set. And look, you can put it away when you're not using it. You can just slap your little table up on top of the chair and store that away easy. But yeah, so it comes with the two chairs and it comes with that table for $400. This another outdoor set that I thought was nice. So yeah, Home Goods is good for patio furniture right now. We keep seeing different pieces, or sometimes the same piece with different cushions and stuff. There go the chairs that they were putting out earlier. So yeah, you can grab those for $70. And you can see they're nice and stackable. More nautical style pieces. These were kind of heavy and kind of packed in there. So we didn't look at the prices on all of these, but we did look at the prices on a few of them. So they mostly around the same price. So $25 for that. And that goes pretty with that little bluefish that's right there behind it. This like a little piece of coral, so they had like a lot of little coral looking pieces. The little birds, so they had, what do they call those, pelicans, seagulls, little shell pieces, clam pieces. $17 for that one right there. So yeah, you can get a lot of nautical beach like decor pieces right now. That one, and it was tall for $25. You could like put that on the floor on a table. This one right here is $17. I thought these were cute. So they were between like $17 and $20, and they're just like little figures. I thought they were cute. Books. So before, some of the books used to be a little pricey, but $30. This is a good table book if you're looking for a table book or something. And then that little decor piece, it came in white too, so you can get it in white and black. I just think that's cute. This little mint clock for the spring, that'll be cute. Or for the summer, $20 for that. This little mint piece. So yeah, mint is pretty right now for the season. $17 for that, and it kind of has like that speckled detail to it. Thought this was interesting. $35. So it's like a horse. but just the shape of it, I thought it was interesting. These I thought they were a set, but they were cute little bulldog bookends. So I thought they were a set, but they each had a tag on it. So it's $17 for each one. These again, I thought came together, but when I took it apart, so it's separate, but it looks so nice together for $15 for those. Another cute little outdoor set, $500. You get the two chairs and that table. Thought those colors were pretty. So yeah, you might want to have it at HomeGoods.